the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Wednesday, the 7th of December. I'm Michael Groff. A day that shall live in infamy. For us, the weather, pretty standard stuff. We got some clouds around this morning. We'll see those clearing out by the afternoon. Temperatures to remain below normal through the forecast period. And as we go toward late this weekend and early next week, even cooler temperatures are looking more likely, with a chance at some rain and mountain snow, and those snow levels could get pretty low. Yeah, we'll be talking about that and everything else going on too. Let's dive in and discuss. First, take a look at that almanac from yesterday. 68 degrees, the afternoon high. 55 was the morning low. The normal high, 68. The normal low, 47. And as we take a look outside right now, here just before 9 a.m. at 8:59 to be exact, we have a lot of clouds out there right now. We're sitting at 55 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 52, humidity 89%. The winds are calm and the barometer is rising. The upper level look across the nation shows a trough out here across the west, the axis of which coming through Arizona. That's why we have the clouds this morning, but as that swings on through, the clouds will decrease. And drier air is going to come in behind that. That's going to result in much cooler temperatures, more December-like temperatures for overnight lows tonight. And high temperatures will also be cooler today. Here's the watch warning map, and really not a whole lot happening across the nation. Some dense fog advisories over parts of Iowa, Illinois, and scattered about the nation out here in the west. A few winter weather advisories to the north of us. But high impact events, not a whole lot to talk about at the moment. Convective outlook for today with a surface boundary extending from Texas eastward through the southeast U.S. Yeah, there could be some thunder, but we don't anticipate any severe weather. And here's a look at precipitation. This is valid through Wednesday morning of next week. Rain amounts in Phoenix have come up a bit now, anywhere from about 1/4 to 1/2 inch. And that is with our system in here, we'll say late Sunday to late Monday is the time frame for rainfall right now, but we'll iron out the details as best we can as we take a look at the models and see what they say. Here we go. This is the GFS. It is the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's our area of low pressure coming through here and what it means for us down at the surface for today. Some clouds this morning, decreasing clouds this afternoon, high temperatures, low to mid 60s. So a few degrees below average. Tonight, clear, cooler. Overnight lows down in the upper 30s in the cold spots, mid 40s in the urban core. Yeah, and then tomorrow, mostly sunny sky returns and high temperatures back in the low and middle 60s. Same thing Friday, low to mid 60s, mostly sunny sky. But as we head toward the weekend, a trough is developing out there along the west coast. And so we see the rain and mountain snow from central California northward into the Pacific Northwest, the Sierras, the Cascades. Now for us, Saturday, still looking, I would say, mostly sunny to partly cloudy. High temperatures on Saturday, again, low to middle 60s. On Sunday, that system is going to start to progress eastward and deepen across the west. And as it does, it's going to slow down a bit here. And we have been watching model trends. And for a while now, indications are this is going to be a stronger and colder system. So as a result, Sunday, clouds will increase. And by late in the afternoon, we'll introduce a slight chance of rain here in Phoenix. Some rain and snow possible up north. High temperatures here again, low to maybe middle 60s. By Monday, this system starts to roar on through here. And yeah, we're going to see breezy, locally windy conditions at times, especially across northern Arizona. And for now, we've introduced a 40% chance of rain for Sunday night and Monday across the south central deserts, including Phoenix. We may have to bump that up depending on how model trends play out. And this could produce some decent snow up north. Still a bit far out to get into real specifics. Obviously, the timing and intensity of all this is likely to change, but just know the cooler weather is in here too. Much of our model guidance only shows high temperatures in the mid or perhaps upper 50s on Monday, so well below normal. Then once that system gets on through here on Tuesday, it's going to leave some very cold air in its wake. Lows well down in the 30s in many spots. High temperatures only struggling to get into the low or maybe middle 50s on Tuesday. We've got a high temperature range in Phoenix of 50 to 54 for Tuesday. So yeah, chilly day. Then a week from today, this would be Wednesday the 14th, and that system is out across the Plain States, and that's going to produce a lot of rain and snow on the backside. I mean, it could be a near blizzard for parts of the Dakotas, maybe western Nebraska, The Rockies here will be left with a very cool air mass. Again, highs likely staying way below normal, maybe only in the low to mid 50s. And then as we take a look out 10 days, this would be Friday the 16th. And that looks fairly dry with a northwest flow aloft, and temperatures might moderate a little bit, but still staying ever so slightly below normal. Looking at rainfall for Phoenix, this goes out through the 21st of the month off the European ensemble. The control member is, way up there, over 2.5 inches. The ensemble mean is coming up toward an inch now. So there are signs that we could have significant precipitation out there further into the forecast period. And these are signs that we'll have to watch. Obviously, the GFS ensemble is less bullish, but we are definitely more in line with trusting the European model. It has performed better in recent weeks. So we're hoping for that more significant precipitation around here as we go through mid-December. And then temperatures off the national blend of models staying a little bit below normal for the rest of the week and then into the weekend. But then look what happens. We're way below average. Highs in the 50s, lows in the 30s. And that is going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video due back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, then be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell. Leave those comments, questions, suggestions. The executive producer of the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion is my one and only Asian sensation. She is Michelle. She's there on the live chat right now. And so thank you to all of you for watching, all of your continued support. It is greatly appreciated. Please be safe out there, and you guys have yourselves an absolutely glorious Wednesday.